Hey guys, I'm Nadine, the founder of Throdle, and today I'm here with Joe and his awesome C8. So Joe, one of the things that caught my eye here is the Lambo doors. We know that that is not stock. So tell me about it. Why'd you do it?
So this is my 2020 C8 Corvette. The very first modification I put on this car was the Lamborghini doors by Paragon Performance. They were the first one to come out with the doors, and I've actually had no issues whatsoever. I actually sometimes drive at car shows with the doors up. It's kind of fun. It's on bags. It's custom wide body kit from the front to the back. The kit was actually a Street Hunter kit, but the front was based off of 2019 Aventador. Custom headlights, taillights, and a lot of carbon fiber on this car.
So it is contentious. You know, there's a lot of people out there who are like, you can't put Lambo doors on a Corvette. What's the kind of reaction you get from it?
I post a lot of stuff on social media, and believe it or not, it made my staff that was doing the body shop, they were so nervous. They cut 3 inches off my car. They're drilling holes into it, and they're like, I can't believe you're making me cut holes into this car. So it looked like something out of Mad Max, not even 10 days ago, and got it here on SEMA from Massachusetts. So
tell me a little bit about these lug nuts.
So these lug nuts, I was able to go and match with the Rohana wheels. It was just something that kind of stood out. It made it look really gnarly when it's moving and spinning. And then this is a 3-piece wheel by Rohana. They built these. It's 20 in the front, 21 in the back.
I see that there's a lot of carbon fiber here. Can you tell me about what you've done to the interior?
Yes, every piece of carbon fiber was made specially for this car. Took a long time to mold and get it to work. And then I had Auto Addicts make me this custom yoke steering wheel.
I was just gonna say, I love it.
Everybody asked, what is it like to drive? And it actually is really fun. It's like a video game remote control, and I drive it like this all the time. It's a lot of fun to drive with.
Okay, so in the back here, what's it pushing?
So we're about 765 to the wheel with the Procharged, but we have a lot of upgrades between the transmission, the engine, injectors, AWE, track exhaust, soul cats, and then a solar throttle body. So it's really pushing a lot of air and horsepower. So
if you're part of Moss Racing, do you race this car?
It is now my show car, but I'm not afraid to drive it. I drive it in New York City, I drive it in Boston.
You actually drive this in New York?
I do. I drive this car a lot. I enjoy it. That's the whole point. You want to drive the car, but I bring it to a lot of shows. A lot of shows are actually out of state, but it's a lot of fun.
So about shows, have you been to any Corvette shows recently?
Yeah, so the last 2 years I went to Corvettes at Carlisle, and I won Best in Show out of 8,600 Corvettes.
Wow, congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
That's phenomenal. And you said getting here to SEMA there was a bit of a story there. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, so I was lucky enough that one time I got an 11 o'clock text from Rohana saying, are you interested in coming to SEMA? And it's been an absolute dream of mine, not only to come to SEMA, but to be part of SEMA. So I'm doing a lot of firsts, especially traveling across the country, 2,800 miles in 3 days. So I had to get here on time.
I can't believe he hasn't slept in like
yes.
5
yes.
days. So thank you, Joe, for giving us that walk around. It was truly awesome. And you know what? We've done other videos with Jan, Little Monster, who's done a Z06 with his Lambo doors. So make sure you check that out. So thanks for giving us a follow as Throdle's fueling connections and driving experiences.